Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check or find your friends in Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to find out your friends in Discord, you just simply have to open your Discord application. And after opening the Discord application, you will get to see a bunch of options into here. Now you just simply have to tap to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap into that icon and then you will get to see this your friends option directly. Tap to your friend icon and then you can see all of the friends if you have any into this section. This way you can check out your friends into Discord. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.